back. This is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video we will be seeing how to copy files and delete files and move files from uh, one directory to another directory in C#.net. Okay, let's jump into our Visual Studio. In this Visual Studio I created a console application with the name of this. Like to create a new console application, let's just go to file and new project and just select Visual C Sharp, and in that just select console app and give some name and click OK. So you'll be getting this main method. So in this main method, like my goal is to uh, play around with this two folders with this files, image files. I want to copy to this folder and I want to move to different folder. I want to delete the files from the directory. I will show you all this actions now. So first of all we need source and destination paths. Let's have a path first. So first I need source and initially what I am planning, like I will be showing sample example on copy. So for that let's use file class which is coming from system.io. So for that, if you see the IntelliSense show the copy directly. So for this we have two overloading methods which has two parameters, and the third parameter, the second one has like override. So we can use that override. I will show you when you want to use it. So for that let me have source plus file name. I need a file name to copy, and destination plus file name to create over there. So let me grab a file name from this. So I want to copy this to the destination folder, so I will be using that. Here you can name anything like copy from other JPG. So the extension should be same. So once you run the project, you'll be seeing that build started. So once the build succeeded, it will execute all these three lines, and you'll be seeing that the image file copied to the destination folder. So this is our console window. So once this is done, the console window will be closed, and if you go to your demo, so it's copied here. Let's see why it's copied outside, because here the name it's added directly. So let me correct this, and to see what's I want to see is it completed, and I want to see the window still open. For that I will say done console dot read key. So I corrected this, I added extra line, and now if you run it, it will be inserted into copy to folder. So it says done, and copy to folder as a new new document. It says copy from other. So this you can delete it. So here the copy function will be it won't delete the original file, and it will copy a new file here. So that is the best option for when you are you don't want to delete and when you are copying. So this is how the copy works for single file. And if you want to run again this one, so you'll be seeing an error saying the file already exists. So that in that time you need to use the other overload method, which says overwrite. So if I run now, I will be seeing done without any errors. So it will overwrite the same file. If there is any update on the file, it will copy over. If not, it won't do anything. So I will also do with multiple files. Let's say I have a string file in source. Means let's go with the first. I need to get all the files, which is collection of strings. So here there will be a directory class, get files, source. From source I'm getting all the files. For the on the files I'm just looping to get each one by one file to copy over. So if you think this is the one, the source will be this. So this source will have complete path for the file and the destination. If you need to have a file name, so for that just a path get file name from file. So you will be getting in the file name and just add this here. So here this method will be used, this lines will be used to copy complete files from folder to copy to folder. So all files will be copied, it won't be deleted from the main folder. It is done. Let's go and see how it looks. So copy to have 7 files. This is a duplicate which we used the previous one with a different name. That's fine. So this is a 6. So this all files are copied to over this. So let's think that there is no destination folder exist. Let's have okay new destination. Okay, so for that if you run it and you will be having the this could not find part. So for that reason what we need to is like we need to create the destination directory. So just say directory exists, sorry, exists destination. So if doesn't exist, let's say directory dot create directory, give destination. That's it. This will create the directory, and after that the directory created, the other code will be executed successfully and it says done. Let's go and see. So there is a new destination folder and the 6 files are copied. So after this what I will do, I will be work I'll be checking on this. Let's say there's no loop for this, we'll go to move option. So before move I want to use this create folder because I want to have another folder with which does the move operation for this folder. So from this files room it will be this file will be copied. So the move won't have this overwrite one. So let's say just do this magic now. So once I run it, it says done. So there will be a new directory will be created with the file it's moved. So if you go to our files from, there is only 5 documents. The image which is cut and paste from the actual folder. So if you want to use this in the loop, you can just uncomment this and say okay, whatever the files you will be having, just move over. Okay, then if I run now with commenting out this, it says done without errors, and you will be having no files from actual folder, and all the files are moved to new folder which we are using for the move operation. So the same way you need to go with the delete option. So for the delete, if you see, there is only one path. So here what I want to do is I want to use destination folder. In the destination folder we have a file name called copy from other, right? So let's, if I run this, it says done. So the copy for other is deleted. If you want to delete all the files, you can just say, just loop it, loop the destination and find all the files, and you don't need this, just go delete and give the file. So this will delete all the files in the new folder. If you want to delete the directory, come to, let's say I want to delete this. Here I'll be using destination, let's say directory dot delete. Okay, in this case when I run this, I'll be having a error, the directory is not empty. If you want to, if the directory is not empty, we need to use another overall method. It says recursive. So this recursive, what it will do, it will delete all the files in the directory and the actual directory. So that way that folder is completely deleted. This is how you need to work on this delete, move, copy operations in the C#.net. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll be checking all the comments. If you have any questions, please leave your feedback and your questions in comments. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.